Welcome to TriPoint Report, your go-to channel for U.S. immigration updates, visa policies, and everything you need to know about green card processing. In this video, we're breaking down the May 2025 Visa Bulletin, with a specific focus on the family-sponsored categories F1, F2A, and F2B. Whether you're a U.S. citizen sponsoring your unmarried child or a green card holder sponsoring your spouse or adult child, this update is a must-watch. There hasn't been a lot of movement this month, but there's still a lot to unpack. So let's get into the details and understand what this bulletin really means for your green card journey. To start, let's quickly go over what these categories mean. The U.S. immigration system offers a limited number of family-based green cards each year. These are divided into preference categories. F1 covers unmarried sons and daughters over 21 of U.S. citizens. F2A is for spouses and children under 21 of green card holders. F2B is for unmarried sons and daughters over 21 of green card holders. These categories are subject to annual caps and country-specific limits, which is why countries like India, Mexico, and the Philippines experience longer backlogs. Now let's take a look at the final action dates for May 2025. These dates represent the cutoff for when USCIS will approve green card applications in each category this month. Starting with F1 for unmarried adult children of U.S. citizens. India, China, and all countries not individually listed are at March 15, 2016. Mexico is stuck at April 22, 2005. The Philippines is at July 15, 2012. So, if you're a U.S. citizen sponsoring your adult child and your priority date is before March 15, 2016, your case is eligible for final action, assuming the rest of your application is complete. But here's the reality. That's over 9 years of waiting for most countries and nearly 20 years for Mexico. That's an entire generation for many families. Even people who filed in 2017 still aren't current, and that backlog doesn't appear to be going anywhere soon. Now to F2A, which covers spouses and children under 21 of green card holders. For most countries, the date is January 1, 2022. For Mexico, it's May 15, 2021. This category used to be current for everyone, meaning no wait at all. But starting in 2023, we began to see it regress, and now into 2025, it's holding steady in the early 2022 range. That means if your petition was filed before January 1, 2022, your case is eligible. If it's even slightly more recent, you'll have to wait longer. Many people still think of F2A as a fast-track category, but that's no longer the case. Today, the wait can stretch to 2 to 3 years or more, especially for countries like Mexico. Next is F2B, for unmarried adult children of green card holders. India, China, and most other countries are at July 22, 2016. Mexico remains stuck at January 1, 2006. The Philippines is at February 8, 2012. This category continues to be one of the slowest moving, and May 2025 shows no improvement. If your priority date is in 2017 or later, you're still looking at several more years of waiting, unless there's a major shift in policy or visa number usage. So, what does all this mean in practical terms? First, the gap between demand